Okay guys, so we have finished 3 questions of this exercise in our previous video. Let's move to question number 4. So question number 4 says, is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. Okay, so let's write down the things which we are given. So sum of their ages of two friends is 20 years. Okay, so let the age of one friend be x years. Therefore, the age of second friend would be 20 minus x, because the sum of ages is 20 years. Okay, now they say 4 years ago the product of their ages in years was 48. Okay, 4 years ago if I go, so the age of one friend 4 years ago, age of one friend would had been, right? So it had been x minus 4 years, and the age of second friend had been how much? 20 minus x minus 4 years. So this is equal to 16 minus x years. Product 48. So product of their ages. So one friend age was x minus 4, other was 16 minus x. That is equal to 48. Okay, let's solve it. So 16x and minus x square minus 64 plus 4x is equal to 48. So I would take all the terms on the right hand side. So my x square will be positive. So x square minus 16x minus 4x plus 64 plus 48 is equal to 0. So x square minus 20x, and this is 12 and 112 is equal to 0. So now let's check if they have some real roots. I can check with before finding out the roots. So my discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0. So my a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 20, and c is equal to 112. So my discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac, should be greater than or equal to 0. So now I have b as minus 20. So whole square minus 4 into 1 into 112 is greater than or equal to 0. This is equal to 400 and minus, so 4, 8, 4 and 4 greater than equal to 0. It should be, right? It's the condition. But here I am getting minus 48, which is not greater than or equal to 0, right? So that means it's not possible, right? So they are asking, is this situation possible? So no, this situation is not possible. So answer, as discriminant is not greater than or equal to 0, therefore this situation is not possible. Last question of this exercise, question number 5. So it says, is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area is equal to this? So if so, find its length and breadth. Okay, so now we have what is given to us is perimeter is equal to 80. Okay, so perimeter would be equal to twice L plus B is equal to 80. So I can find out length in terms of breadth or breadth in terms of length, anything. So 80 by 2. So this is equal to 40 and my length will be equal to 40 minus b. Okay, so I have found out. So let b be b and let breadth be b, right? And length is equal to, therefore length is equal to 40 minus b. Now area is equal, given as 400, right? So area is equal to 400. So area is equal to length into breadth. So my length is equal to 40 minus b and breadth is b is equal to 400. Now minus b square, and this is equal to 40b. So 40b minus b square is equal to 400. Let me take everything on the right hand side. So b square minus 40b plus 400 is equal to 0. So this is in the form of quadratic equation now. So let me check if my discriminant is greater than or equal to 0, then only it will have the real roots, right? So then only it is possible to have a rectangle. So now for real roots, the discriminant has to be greater than or equal to 0. So now for that I'll have to find out my a in this equation is 1, b is equal to minus 40 and c is equal to 400. Okay, so my discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac, should be greater than or equal to 0. So b is minus 40 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 400 should be equal to or greater than 0. This is equal to 1600 minus 1600 is greater than equal to 0. So this is equal to 0, right? So this was the condition. So it is satisfying the condition. So I can say as discriminant is equal to 0, therefore it has equal roots. And I can say that it is possible to design the park. So yes, it is possible to design the park. Okay, then I have to find the length and breadth also. So let's solve the equation. So my equation was b square minus 40b, b square minus 40b plus 400. Yes, so plus 400 is equal to 0. So let me solve this equation. So in this I have sum is equal to minus 20 and product is equal to 400. I can easily find out that this is minus 40, that minus 20 and minus 20 will be my two numbers to split the middle term. So let's split it now. So this was a little bit of rough work. B square minus 20b minus 20b plus 400 is equal to 0. So here b is common, b minus 20 and minus 20 is common, b minus 20 is equal to 0. So my b minus 20 and b minus 20 are my factors for the equation. So b is equal to 20 and 20. So it is equal roots, right? We had already found out. So therefore my b or the breadth is equal to 20 meter and my length, so length I took it as 40 minus b, so this is equal to 40 minus 20, so this is also equal to 20 meters. So this is my answer, right? So therefore breadth is equal to 20 meter and length is also equal to 20 meter. Yay, we are done with the exercise 4.4 now and we have finished this chapter from the book. So see you guys for the next chapter in the next video and stay tuned. See you.